Hey guys, so then let's learn how to download Twitter videos over onto our devices in the most easy way. Choose a video that you wish to download and maybe want to download this video right here. And it's going to give us the option to download it if we use the share button right there. As you can see, the option to download the video is not really available for us. And that's the common problem when you're using, well, Twitter itself, because when you head on over and download it, you won't really have the option to do so. But what you can do is to use a third-party application. So I'm going to teach you guys just that and this in this video. So please watch until the end. Okay, so first of all, let's actually choose to copy link, and then let's hit it over to our favorite browsers. And then I want you to search for Twitter to MP for converter. And what this does, it basically converts any Twitter link or any Twitter video, basically a video on Twitter, onto an MP4, which is downloadable onto your devices. All we need to do is to use save tweet vid.com. It's a very reliable software and application. Just use that and just paste the video right there. Click on download and then the download will be started. And of course, not all videos will work over here, but most videos of course. And of course, if the video is private, as you can see here, it's going to give you the notice that if the video is private or from a private account, it won't really work. So make sure that you are using a public account. And the account that you found the video from should also be public. Okay, guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you again in the next one. And again, this has been How to Web.